In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a Bluebeam session. If you collaborate in Bluebeam Studio, archiving is a simple way to capture a complete snapshot of your work, documents, markups, and the session record in a single package you can store, share with stakeholders, or retain for compliance. Think of it as a clean, read-only bundle of everything that happened in the session up to this moment. Start by opening your Bluebeam Studio session. Make sure you're in the correct live session, not a project. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the session name and participants in the studio panel. It also helps to check that you're connected to the internet and that you have permission to manage the session, since archiving is an administrative action. Next, look for the session admin icon. This is the small gear icon in the studio panel, typically near the top or in the corner of the panel where you manage participants and settings. Clicking that opens a list of administrative options. From that list, choose Archive Session. Selecting this tells Bluebeam to gather the session's contents and activity into a single archive file. You're not deleting or ending anything by doing this. You're simply creating a packaged copy of the current state. Bluebeam will ask you to confirm. Click OK. This confirmation step prevents accidental archives and ensures you're ready to proceed. Now wait while the session is saved as an archive file. You may see a progress indicator, and the time it takes can vary based on the number and size of documents, how many markups have been added, and your connection speed. During this process, avoid closing Bluebeam, signing out of Studio, or putting your computer to sleep. A stable connection will help the archive complete without interruptions. When the archive finishes, Bluebeam creates a single file, commonly a compressed package, that contains your session documents and the record of activity. It's normal for larger sessions to take a bit longer, so patience here pays off. Once it's done, you'll have a clean snapshot you can keep for records, share with your team, or store according to your organization's retention policies. For easy tracking, keep the default file name or incorporate a clear naming convention with the project name and date. And remember, archiving doesn't replace your regular backups. It simply gives you a preserved view of your session at a point in time. That's all there is to it. Open your session, click the gear icon, choose Archive Session, confirm with OK, and let Bluebeam do the rest.